What's the meaning of accurately? Accurately. 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 The word accurately means in a correct or exact manner, without mistakes or errors. It can be used to describe a variety of actions, such as measuring, recording, or reporting information. For example, a scientist might accurately measure the temperature of a liquid, or a journalist might accurately report the results of an election. In order to be accurate, it is important to be careful and precise. This means taking the time to gather all of the necessary information, and then using that information to make a correct judgment or decision. It also means being aware of your own biases and limitations, and taking steps to minimize their impact on your work. Being accurate is important in many different areas of life. In school, students are expected to accurately answer questions on tests and assignments. In the workplace, employees are expected to accurately complete tasks and report information. And in everyday life, we are all expected to accurately communicate with each other. By being accurate, we can help to ensure that our work is of the highest quality, and that our relationships with others are based on trust and respect.